Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Let me tell you the story of life and death. A group of frogs were walking in a forest. They kept walking in this rainforest, and two of them fell in a very deep pit. They tried to jump and get out of the pit, but they failed. So their friends were shouting at them and saying, try and jump. But then rain started to become heavier. So their friends who were calling and screaming at them got frustrated. And they said, well, you have to give up. There's no way you can survive. They kept shouting at them, quit and don't jump. Don't exhaust yourself. You have exhausted all of your options. And they tried again and again and again, but their friends kept shouting, don't try. You're exhausting yourself. You should surrender and maybe die instead of trying hard, until all of their companions started to walk away. One of them quit and died, and the other one tried again and again and again and again, tried really hard until he jumped out of the pit. Then when he got out of the pit, the other frogs told him, did you hear what we were trying to say? The frog paused and tried to explain to them that he was deaf. And when he saw them, he thought that they were just encouraging him to jump out of the pit. The moral of the story is that you have to be very careful about the words that come out of your mouth. Judge the words before you let them leave your mouth, because they might be the difference between life and death. Have a wonderful day.